Have you ever heard what philosopher Alan Watts said about attention? If you put your hand on the knee of a beautiful woman and leave it there, she'll cease to notice it. But if you gently pat her on the knee, she'll know you're still there. This is because you come and go. Now you see me, now you don't. It's a simple idea with a powerful truth. What keeps love alive isn't constant closeness, but the dance of presence and space. Because in relationships, a little mystery, a little space, actually makes love feel alive. Now here's the thing. So many women have told me what they truly want in a relationship, and often it sounds like this. I just want to be together all the time, like we're one person, inseparable. But here's where things get tricky. That kind of constant closeness, as romantic as it sounds, often backfires. Why? Because of something called habituation. Our brains are designed to tune things out when they're always there. Constant becomes background. Just like staring at a bright neon color for too long, your eyes adjust, and suddenly you don't see it anymore. It's the same with wealth too. At first, it's exhilarating, but give it time, and it starts to feel normal. The thrill fades away. And this same principle also plays out in love. Imagine this. Jeffrey comes home every night and sees Jill on the couch. Same time, same place, same routine. They talk about their day, then zone out to TV. Comfortable? Sure. But thrilling? Not anymore. Now think about Peter and Jenna. They're both active. They have friends, hobbies, lives beyond just each other. When Peter wants to go out, he checks Jenna's schedule. He asks, "Hey, are you free Friday?" And she says, "I've got rehearsal, but how about Saturday?" Jenna isn't playing games. She loves Peter. She prioritizes him, but she also prioritizes her life, her passions, her growth. She's not the hand that sits still on the knee. She's the gentle pat that reminds you she's there. And this isn't just about keeping your man interested, it's about you. When your happiness doesn't rest on one person alone, you become more balanced, more alive, more you. So spread your energy, pursue your interests, nurture your friendships. That richness you bring into your own life, it will spill into your relationship. But what if you're with a guy who's more introverted, who loves quiet nights in? That's okay too. You just dial the rhythm to match his, but the principle stays the same. You bring your full self into the relationship, not just the part of you that's attached to him, because love doesn't fade when you give it space. It breathes. If this video gave you a fresh perspective, please take a moment to like and subscribe. It may seem small, but it makes a huge difference.